Hey there, this is a quick video on D082 and the Reddit post I used before I took this course. Now, this is a very easy course. It is just a performance assessment, so you just gotta write two different papers, pass those. And this post says completed in 2 hours, start to finish from like opening up the course. And I agree, only took me a day for this class as well. Biggest thing with this, they're not long assignments or easy assignments, but biggest thing is going off the rubric. When you're doing WGU assessments, you really don't have to include anything other than what they specifically asked for on the rubric. So make sure you're just going line by line on your rubric and just trying to answer those specific questions the best you can. You probably don't even have to open up the textbook, and you can if you get stuck on one, or you can maybe even just do some Google research to learn more about the topic, since it is emotional and cultural intelligence. And then also, another thing you can do if you're having trouble focusing in is you can copy and paste the like question or task from the rubric into your like Word document, and then just try to put your answer below it, and then you can just reformat it later. That's pretty much it. There are some templates I think in the class you can use, but you don't necessarily need them. But there's really nothing to this class other than just actually sitting down and doing it. So why not just start and do it now? Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.